In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your deleted messages on Messenger, what you need to do is to open the Facebook application. Click on your profiles icon at the top right corner of your screens and then click on the settings icon. Now scroll down and click on this option that says download your information. Click on request a download. Select your Facebook account and click on next. Then click on the second option, select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted chats on Facebook, therefore click on this messages option and tap on next. Then tap on submit request. And after you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted messages on Facebook Messenger will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted messages on Messenger will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.